just seen is only the beginning. Now, let's go deeper into the design, the precision tuning, and the sheer emotion behind the all-new Nissan Patrol NISMO and the Nissan Z NISMO. Please welcome Satoshi Komiya, Vice President of Nissan Motorsports and Customizing and Chief Vehicle Engineer for the Patrol NISMO, and joining him on stage, Ahmed Awad, Director of Product Marketing for Nissan Middle East and Saudi.
Good evening, everyone. Ahlan bikam. I'm very happy to be here with you in the Middle East. I'm Satoshi Komiya, Vice President, Nissan Motorsports and Customizing, and Chief Vehicle Engineer for the Patrol NISMO. I flew from Japan to introduce groundbreaking SUV, all new Nissan Patrol NISMO. Joining me on the stage to ignite your passion for all new Nissan Z NISMO, please welcome Mr. Ahmad Awad, Director of Product Marketing for Nissan Middle East and Saudi.
Thank you, Kumiya-san. Thank you. Indeed, today we're very proud to introduce two distinct vehicles, each vehicle designed for a different purpose. Yet, both of them, they are embodying the same DNA and philosophy. It's NISMO DNA. That DNA that forged through a motorsport heritage, refined by the precise and precision engineering, and brought to life through the craftsmanship of the Japanese. At Nissan, we take a great pride to deliver such a diverse product with a unified vision.
Okay, let's start with the styling at first. The NISMO styling is not only for the emotional value, but also performance enhancement through aerodynamics. The NISMO design has three keywords: powerful, distinct, and precise. Make it truly iconic. In the front, you will see the dynamic V-motion with red accent expressing the power.
That's really a powerful statement, Kumiya-san. Also for Z NISMO, the exterior is designed for a pure motorsport. The NISMO-exclusive front grille that's coming wider with a honeycomb shape that's inspired from GTR NISMO for improving the cooling system and reduce the drag. Also inspired by the 240ZG, the legendary of Z, the extended G nose, also with the three-piece rear spoiler that they are coming to improve the downforce and having the full stability on the road.
Okay. On the side, the famous NISMO red stripes continued around the Patrol NISMO. The NISMO fender intake with its emblem reflects the performance design philosophy. A dynamic stance with this body-colored wheel arch emphasizes lower center of the gravity. And look at on the back on the screen, we can see the extended rear spoiler and Formula E inspired rear fog lamp.
Absolutely, and building on that, Kumiya-san, and inspired as well by the GTR NISMO, the Z NISMO comes with the functional canard wings on the front and also the side sill on the side that's also worked to optimize the airflow and improve the downforce. Also, if we look at the back, we have a complete redesigned rear bumper that's coming with the special corners to help reduce the drag. And similar to Patrol, we cannot have NISMO without the iconic Formula E inspired rear fog lamp.
Okay, let's go to the inside. The design concept for the inside, the energetic, full-fit, and precise, that make it racing inspired, complemented by suede and leather, elevate your sporty feeling. Lead accent, including tachometer, seatbelt, and the starter button remind you that it's not any car, but a NISMO.
Also, when it comes to the Z NISMO, to the driver environment, the Z NISMO cockpit is built for performance. The suede-wrapped steering wheel that gives you more grip and more handling. Also, the red center mark on the steering wheel that knows how it's NISMO. The red accent that's coming on the digital cluster in front of the driver and also everywhere in the console, it gives you the boost of the racing. For the seat, it's a specially tuned Recaro bucket seat that keeps you firmly in your position while you're driving on the racing driver. And moving to the performance, Kumiya-san, tell us more about the NISMO tuned performance for the Patrol NISMO.
Okay, thank you, Ahad. Under the hood, we have NISMO tuned 3.5 liter twin turbo V6 engine with class leading 495 horsepower in sports mode and 700 Newton meter under torque. This is definitely the most powerful Nissan Patrol and especially for the Middle East region. Howard, how about the NISMO performance?
Also, the Z NISMO got the engineering NISMO on it, the heart of NISMO. It's truly built to thrill. The Z NISMO, it comes with a tuned 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, generating 420 horsepower and 520 Newton-meter torque, which is 20 horsepower and 45 Newton-meter over the base Z, reaching the top speed, the enhanced top speed of a 279 kilometer per hour. That exceptional power and performance comes with the NISMO tuned 9-speed automatic transmission with a bigger clutch, shortened clutch stroke to have a faster shifts. Also, it's something exclusive for the Z NISMO. It comes with a special drive mode, the Sport Plus mode, that have a quicker downshift to give you the true track driving experience.
Okay. Now let's move to the thrilling driving experience. Okay. Our engineers wanted to feel fast, exhilarating, and confident in the NISMO Patrol. It features reinforced chassis and the race-tuned suspension and the steering system for the precise handling. Adding a NISMO-tuned E-damper provides sharp response and stability.
Also building on that, Kumiya-san, the foundation of stability, handling, and engagement. The Z NISMO as well chassis has been reinforced to be more rugged and also to have the comprehensive NISMO-tuned suspension that includes a stiffer spring and also having a revised damper for the confident driving experience.
Okay. Patrol NISMO comes with 22 inches alloy wheel co-developed with race. These wheels are 23% lighter compared with the base model. And it comes from with the high performance tires to give you full control when you're cornering at high speed.
Also, the Z NISMO, it's a 19-inch forged alloy wheel designed by Race, and it's coming with a wider tire, a 285 size wider that gives you a superior grip and, of course, a precise handling. And for the ultimate performance, for the braking performance, it comes with a 15-inch rotor designed specially for the NISMO Z, and, of course, a high-friction braking pads.
Mm-hmm. The Patrol NISMO's dynamic exhaust and active sound enhancement create a fully immersive driving experience. In summary, the Patrol NISMO truly built to dominate. From its race-based performance to its commanding presence, every detail empowers your journey every day.
The Z NISMO is truly built to thrill. From the track-tuned performance and powertrain to its race-inspired aerodynamic, it's immerse all the details of the drivers. It truly boasts the pride of those who's looking for a rich legacy of Z and an unparalleled performance.
Our commitment to the performance and heritage define what we brought to the region today. Two icons, the all-new Nissan Patrol NISMO and the all-new Nissan Z NISMO, built for command and power. Thank you and shukran.
Thank you.